Hi friends, Happy New Year. Today I am back with another robot making project. This is a gesture control robot. Generally in hand gesture control robot, the robot can recognize your hand gesture like this or 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But that requires a camera and image processing. We will be doing in a different way. We will be having sensor on the hand so that it can detect this or this angle or hands up, hands down, hands straight or like that. It can detect and you can control with that gesture or that movement a robot car. Let's have a demo first. Hope you will like it. Each and every details of this robot I will be sharing in the next video. You can see their circuit diagram, source code, everything. For that, I'll soon share the link below in the description. During making the robot, if you have any queries, just write down in the comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos and channel for the latest updates. Like the video, share it with your friends and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.